Welcome, here I've got Honor 20 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The leveler here is only available in the video and the pro mode, so we have to change the modes. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. Let me start with the pro. So when we pick it, we get access to it. Don't be scared about all of these settings because you can use this also on the auto. I can invite you to my other film where I explain how to use that. And now let's move to the right corner to this button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Let's focus on capture settings category. Here at the third position we have horizontal level option, so this is extra thing in the pro mode. By using this button from the right we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see it. And here it appears at the center. This is useful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And now let's tap here to the Pro to go back to the standard photo mode. As you can see, we can't see the leveler here, but let's move again by using this settings bar now to the video mode, and here it appears also. So we can use this also in the video to keep our camera straight when we want to record straight video. And of course, when we don't need it, we can turn it off also in the video mode by going again to the right corner settings. And in the video settings here we have horizontal level at the second place. So by just one tap here we can turn it off, and now in the camera preview the leveler has gone. And that's all. This is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.